you're wondering why I'm red and sweaty. It's because I've been walking this dude. Want to know with what? Skates. Come on, Wash. And to prove it, see my hand. Okay. Oh, you going? Why are you sitting so calmly? Okay, Wash. Go on. I don't like shoes. Okay. Wash. Go. Go. Walk somewhere. Okay. Okay, I think you're just going to where my dad was. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Black plant that he likes to eat. Come on, Wash. Somewhere this way. Yes, this way. Yes, you can't fit in the cars anymore. Sweetheart, sweetheart, sweetheart. I'm not big enough. I'm small enough for this. You best be turning. Oh, no. No. No, okay. Okay, stand here. Stay here. Okay. Now, come here. No, other way. Turn. It's the only efficient way to turn him. And then he decides to go on the opposite side of the so then I have to switch around, run up here. He's gonna be running now to pull me. Okay, pull. Good boy. I give him a little bit of lightweight. Okay, I tell him, stop. That's why. Go. Slow. This is what I'm saying. Slow. The battle scars of stop. Turn. Go. Let him get in front of me and pull. Washington, go. Pull. Yep. Oh God, why do you do this to me? You little scoundrel. Stop. Okay, again, battle scars. Washington, no. Washington, stop. Sit. Washington, earth to Washington. Washington, stop. Washington, sit. Go there. No, sit. Washington, sit. No, okay. I'm pulling it. Turn. Okay. Yes, I'm pulling this around my dog. She's stupid. Okay, go. Stop. Sit. Washington. Go. No, wrong way. Another way. Go. Pull. I am kind of directing him, but this. Stop. Yep. Pull. Slow. Now I'm just gonna. Onto the wall. Put a stopper down. Stop. Washington. Stop. Sit. Sit down, baby boy. Sit. Okay. Forward. Will you sit? Oh, I just wrapped it around his neck. Pull. Go. I know, I'm treating him like a horse. I should stop, but it's so much fun. What? No. Okay, slow. Okay. I'm in control right now, Wash. It's only because we're outside and I know. I'm in control. Stop. Turn. Forward. which way do you? Nope, nope. This way forward. That way. Yep, yep, yeah, yeah. Don't let me get it. Pull. No, stop. Look. No, turn. Okay. Forward, pull, slow, slow. Stop pulling. Stop. No pull. Turn. Fast. Pull. Pull fast. Nope, this way. This way. I'm now the dog. I'm now the dog. And go, 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 go. Pull, 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 pull. 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 I smell children. That's literally. Stop. Stop. Nope, Washington, back over here. You have to sit. 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 Okay, wait. Okay. Good. I'm trying to train him to like listening to my commands. Stop, pull. Stop. Stop. Up. No, I haven't. Washington, come on. No, Washington. Sit. No, 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 not that. Sit. No pull. Turn. And sorry, I'm at an apartment building. Can't really stop children from talking. Pull, Washington. Pull, good boy. Fast. Turn. No, no, stop. Backwards. Back, back, back. Forward, yes. Slow. Walk. No, pull. Oh, poor mosquito. No pull. No pull. Okay, I'm in control here.